Did that do the trick? Yes, I did it. Okay. Hey guys, welcome to another video. You're catching me at lunchtime, so I'm going to eat some leftovers. I swear I cook these meals. I just have not been able to film myself making them because I cook usually at night. And also when I cook, it's such a disaster. And sometimes I'm so tired after cooking that I just leave the mess until the next day. Confession time, I am not the best when it comes to tidying up after cooking, so. Today we have a lunch of tagliatelle. Again, I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name of that pasta, with bacon and broccoli. And another little confession, I did not make this sauce from scratch. Yes, I use the jarred stuff. For the longest time, I've tried making sauces from scratch, and recently, not too long ago, I tried a jarred sauce for the first time in a long time, and it was so good. It was way better than anything that I was able to make from scratch. So I figured, you know what? It takes a long time to make sauces from scratch. Just use a jarred sauce, Jerica. It's fine. It tastes better, at least better than what you come up with. So if you're one of those people that feel guilty about not making sauces from scratch, don't feel guilty. Stop it. It is okay to use jarred things. Anyways, I'm gonna heat this up. So what is on the agenda today? I got a few dresses hemmed, so I'm waiting for a text or a call from the lady who did it, and it was kind of a sketchy place, but she was so sweet, and I hope it ends up okay. I will update you on that. She was supposed to have it done today, but I haven't received a call or a text, so maybe not today. But I was thinking, if she doesn't call today, I do have a few other things that I need to get done. I have a new whiteboard that I need to put up. Yes, another whiteboard. Look how big it is. There's so much room for activities. And I was thinking with this big of a whiteboard, I should put it here where this smaller one is right now and move the smaller one down the way over there. Ugh. What do you guys think? Think this is a good spot for it, right here? I think so. It comes with a tray and an eraser. And does it come with a marker? I think it also comes with a marker. Sweet. It's a little heavier than this smaller whiteboard, so I'm wondering if I'm able to hang it up with command strips, which is how this one is staying up right now. Is there a weight on this guy? 6 pounds. I think my command strips can support 6 pounds, but we'll find out. That's so good. That's so good. It's gonna be pretty much a working day today. I'm gonna be staying in if that lady doesn't call. If she does call, I'm gonna be out and possibly buying presents. So depending on that call, the whole plot or theme or vibe of this vlog can change at any moment. Welcome to Vlogmas. I have no agenda for today. Really, it's up in the air. But thank you for choosing to follow along with me and be here. I appreciate all of you guys so much. So without further ado, I'm gonna finish my lunch and let's get the day going. But before I put that whiteboard up, I have to put up the rest of those ornaments using these ornament hooks that I found. These were so hard to find, by the way, and I walked up and down these ornament aisles just looking for these. Could not find them in so many stores, and I'm probably just blind, but I eventually found them, so I snapped them up. And these are interesting. They're not your typical ornament hooks. They're super cute. Let me show you. They look like, if I could pull one out, they look like little musical notes. So I'm wondering, do I put this, wait, how does this work? All right, let's try an ornament here. Ornament? I think it goes in like this side. So let's do that. And there you go. How pretty is that? And I'm gonna put you right over here. Let me know in the comments if you guys have finished decorating your tree. If it's been up since the beginning of November, which I know there are people like that. And if you're that kind of person, all the power to you. I wish I could be that person. And the only reason why I'm not is definitely laziness. But who wouldn't want to have something as beautiful as this in their house for as long as possible, right? I know I do. I mentioned making a custom ornament that commemorated my first year being divorced, and I realized I could do that here using a laser machine, so I should probably make that for myself at some point. That'll be a fun project. Oh, I just dropped them all. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, I really love these ornament hangers. They're so pretty. Did I get them all? Oh, found one down here. It had fallen off the tree, actually. I'm glad I rescued it. What do you think, Jiggy? You like it? Is it a good tree? No comment? Okay, bye. All right, blueberry break before I tackle the whiteboard, which is next on my to-do list. Blueberries. Okay, we gotta eat. We're running out of light. This is so big. I love it though. It's the perfect size. This is a lot of whiteboard. This is gonna be so satisfying to do. Imagine the ideas that are going to be on this whiteboard. So many ideas and reminders and goals and all the things. All right, I think the first order of business is to take this guy down. Because of how big this is, I don't want to be taking it off of the wall, putting it back on, so it's going to have a permanent spot over there. And then I'm going to move him over there. Let's get to work. Oh, cool. This came with magnets. I'm making a mess. You can live here for now. Okay. It's on there pretty good. A little too good. These are just command strips. What? It's like solidly on the wall. Okay, let's see if I can get something to pry it off the wall here. Something gentle. Use a spatula at first. That's not gonna do it. Why did I think a spatula was gonna do it? It's not gonna do it. It's something harder than that. This is gonna do it, I think. I'm gonna damage the wall though. I did it. I have to be extra gentle. There we go. And look, no holes because I was using command strips. That's the beauty of command strips. They give you a solid grip, but they don't damage walls. You know, if I could reuse these. I'm thinking here, right? This is a good spot for it. Right here. Perfect. Okay, so these command strips can hold up to 16 pounds. So we're good. But is it one holds 16 pounds or a collection of them? To be safe, I'm gonna do one on each corner so that it gets the full support. And command strips are really easy to use. You just remove the backing. Wait, how do you do it? Sorry. So you separate them and then you connect them, make sure that they stick. You'll hear a click like that. Then you remove one side and you stick it on the thing that you want to get on your wall. So let's remove one guy here. Let's do. All right, so the command strips are all stuck onto my whiteboard. I just have to remove the sticker and then stick this on the wall. It's just that easy. I've been wanting to hang my YouTube plaque the same way, but the backing of the plaque is velvet, so it's not sticky enough for the command strips. I'm gonna have to actually hang it with nails, which I can do. I've spoken to my landlord about that and he's okay with it. I just feel like if I were to ever move out of this place, I want to have less work for me in terms of patching up holes in the wall and, you know, things like that. So really I'm helping future Jerica out by giving her less work. All right, we're good. We have it all ready to go. Let's stick her on. All right, moment of truth, let's do this. I'm not gonna use a leveler. I'm just going to use the existing lines I've got here as a guide and just stick it on the wall. Okay, I think we're good. Did that do it? Did that do the trick? Yes, I did it. Okay. All right, I think we've got this. I did it. All right, gotta add the magnets. Awesome. It came with an eraser. That's awesome. I think this is magnetized, right? Nope, not a magnet. That's okay. And it came with markers. That's always a plus. Sweet. Yay. Wow, this is a solid whiteboard size. I'm so excited. Now to rehang my other whiteboard. So it might have fallen off. I think this board might be a little too heavy for command strips, unfortunately. And yes, I did add more command strips. So I just might have to grab a drill and actually drill this into the wall. I don't have a drill, but I will borrow one from somebody, somewhere. This is sad because I really wanted to get that board up today. What can you do? Oh well. It'll get up there eventually. It is becoming evening time here. I will get this up eventually. In the meantime, I'm just gonna put it sideways here until I get the proper tools to hang him. Wondering if I should put this guy back in the meantime, or I should put him in the place where he was before. Other than that, pretty productive day. I'm proud of myself. For those of you wondering, I've been spending the evenings editing and getting my videos up. So that's really what I try to do, or at least that's the cadence that I found that has worked the best for me, is to film what I can in the morning, edit in the evening, and get it posted by, I aim for around 7 to 8 Eastern Standard Time. But once Vlogmas is over, I'll probably have a different schedule. I'll probably do twice a week or once a week. Not sure yet. I'm still trying to decide what works for me. All right, let's get you back up on the wall. Should I put him here? No. I wanna maybe get you here. No? No? I'll just put you here for now. Let's put you here in the meantime. Ugh. All right, so even though I was not able to get my big whiteboard up today, I'm going to figure that out, get me a drill and hang that up in another day. That's okay, I'm gonna have to move on and also wrap up this video because I have to get to editing the next video that has to be up today. So it's a lot of moving parts, but I love the madness. And I hope that you guys enjoyed spending time with me and Jiggy here today on this channel, in this video. Even though not much happened, I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with us and being a part of our lives. And yeah, and just hoping that your holidays and your Christmas plans are going a lot smoother than me trying to put up a big whiteboard on this wall. So until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and I will see you guys in that next video. Bye.